Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Our investment deal of the year, which is, deals are always difficult. So great to have the real heroes here doing actually the investment deals. And Agata, if you will help us read off our short list.
Here are the nominees. America House, Morgan Stanley and David Hay. Big Rakovica, Big CEE, Serbia. Plot of land for One Lake District, One United Properties. Olympian Parks, M1 Real Estate. Promenada Tarbomures in Dotek. 3 Hexagon Offices, Ideal Office Services.
And investment deal of the year sponsored by Optim Project Management. And from Optim, David Evans once more.
David, great to have you back. Welcome, and please say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dear Craig, a real pleasure to be involved in tonight's celebration and to be invited to present the award for Investment Deal. 2019 saw the largest number and value of real estate investments across the SEE region for 10 years. Let's hope this trend continues. A time of crisis is always a time of opportunity. Thank you.
Well, thanks, David. And I know you've been through a few crises and lived through them all, and survived them and thrived through them. So good, there's just one more to go.
He was around when the Spanish flu happened.
Oh, right, and made it through. Yes. Well, anyway, no comment on that one. Yeah.
Sorry.
Deal of the year is America House, Morgan Stanley, and David Hay.
Wow.
Congratulations.
And I think if we scan the world, we may be able to find David Hay somewhere by satellite.
Let's see if we can catch David. David.
Yes. Hello.
Hi, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Hi, Craig and the team.
Welcome. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it on the name of Morgan Stanley as well. It's really an honor for us to win this category. Thank you for the jury for choosing us, and I hope it's just the first one in a row, and we will see more. Of course, after we overcome this really strange and crazy situation. So once again, thank you everybody, and hope to see you in person next year.
Well, David, congratulations. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and yeah, we'll see you soon, I hope.